welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be making BLOVES garlic butter sauce. We have some green peppers, an onion, 2 lemons. I have some pickled ginger. I have me some corn on the cob, garlic, lots of garlic. I have me some crab, Dungeness crab. I have 2 Dungeness crabs, some butter, some minced garlic. I have some shrimp, lobster tails. I have 2 lobster tails. And I have her sauce. Now I've chopped up the whole onion thinly sliced. This is going to be for my boil. I'm making a boil, crab boil. So this is a Louisiana rub I'm going to put in the water. I have 4 sticks of butter already going. And I'll be adding the onions to this. I have in my chopper, I have garlic and the green bell pepper, and I will be chopping that up all together real nicely. Here are my crabs, my 2 Dungeness crabs I'll be cleaning. And then my lobster tails and my shrimp. So now here I added the thinly sliced onions and the minced garlic. So I'll be stirring that, getting that all incorporated together. Now I have added the green peppers and garlic paste. So it looks like this. Smells so good. Now I have added chopped pickled ginger to the mixture, and I am going to make sure that it's all mixed in real well. Here in my boil, I have my corn on the cob and my red potatoes. I have some lemon in there, and I have the Louisiana boil packet. I'll be adding some Slap Your Mama seasoning to this boil, and just to add some extra flavor as well. Now that the sauce is thickening up, I will add 1 cup of chicken broth and make sure that's all mixed in well. You also add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. And I added all the seasonings to this. So this is how it's looking at the beginning. It will definitely thicken up. You're supposed to add a Sprite to this as well. I did split both of my lobster tails into 2 pieces. So I had 4 pieces of lobster tails. Here are my shrimp. This is how the sauce is thickening up, smelling really good. Just kept stirring it, kept watching it. I added crab to my boil, and I took out the potatoes and corn. And here's her sauce. Look, looks so good, so yummy. This sauce is bomb, you guys. You need to go get this sauce. Now I'll be adding my lobster tails to my boil and my shrimp. Here's what my boil's looking like. I have my crab, my corn, my potatoes. I'm taking out the lobster. I'll be taking out the shrimp next. And yeah, it looks good. It was super good. If you want to see me eating some of this, I'll be posting another video after this. So stay tuned. Trying the sauce. Yes, I will try the sauce. Look at that lobster tail. Yummy. And so this is how it looks. I put some butter and some seasonings on it. And then I will be adding the sauce. And I'll be putting it in the oven and letting it warm up and do its thing. I did add some broccoli and some eggs. Them eggs was something different, honey. I love me some eggs in a boil now. I'll be doing that from now on. Look how thick this sauce was. It was super thick and garlicky. And look, it just looks so good going on this food. Oh my God, look at it. I wish you could smell this sauce. And this is the finished product. Look at this. I can't wait to dig in. Oh my goodness. So yes, please subscribe, join the family, like, share, and comment. Thank you guys.